Hi guys, welcome back. So today let's learn about how to use WordPress, WordPress's add filter and apply filter. So let's start by again writing a function. Okay, it's missing a C. Say my filter func. Okay, and then let's copy that, and then let's start using add filter immediately. Okay. Now, like add action or add action, we can use the filter this way. So you put the filter tag here and then the function. So this function name goes here, and this tag, let's do this. Okay, let's name it that, and let's create the hook for that filter. So I'm going to create apply filters. Then let's copy that there. Now, now this is where you'll hook the my filter tag in here. So like do actions. If you have watched my video, you can hook it here. So so the first parameter is the filter tag. The second parameter is the value that you want to filter. Let's say this can be string or arrays or boolean values, whichever you like. So let's say let's just use a string. Let's not use a variable. So let's leave it at that. So right now, so as you can see, this is hooked in this apply filters. So this hello here, you can filter it out. You can add or remove that by adding it here, by calling the value here. Let's say string. So that hello will go through here. So when you hook here, when you hook the filter tag here at apply filters, the value hello will be passed through here, through in a string variable. So so to use that to actually echo out the hello, since we're not echoing out here, or to filter out the hello or modify it, let's use return. So right now we're just returning the same function here. So we're not doing anything here yet. We're not echoing anything out or printing. So we can store this in a value. Let's say filter value, because we just want to use filter value. Now we can echo this out, right? So okay, now let's save that. Right now we are doing everything in functions.php. So assuming you have MAMP or SAMP or WAMP installed and WordPress installed in your local environment, this is what we're doing right now in functions.php. Make sure this functions.php is active. So this should be in the active themes functions.php. Okay, in order for anything you do here to be printed out or echoed out on the front end or in the back end, depending on where you want to hook the function into. So we're echoing now. Let's go back to the filter discussion. So apply filter. So we're storing it here. So basically, what we're doing is we're storing the hello to the variable. Now, anytime we can hook into the my filter tag anytime through add filter my filter tag, and just modify hello by passing hello through this string variable, and do anything here like adding some strings, anything you'd like to do there. So let's first, before anything we do anything advanced, let's first echo this out, see what this does. So let's go to Google Chrome, and then let's see, load that. Okay, let's see, and now you see hello. So that's basically what we're doing here. We're just storing it here and echoing it out. So since we have we hooked into the filter, um, if we don't do this, let me just explain this to you. So if we don't hook anything to that filter, this filter, so we don't hook anything there, it will just echo out the same. Now if we echo out, now if we hook into the my filter tag and we didn't return this, this will not appear. Okay, so basically what this is doing is it's passing here it there, but we're not returning anything. So the rule with WordPress filters is that when you pass something, or when you hook the filter into the apply filters, it is expecting you to pass, is the string that is passed here is expected to be modified and returned. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. So basically, if we did all that, and you see that it's printing out now. But what we can do here is say this is deep. So let's say this is located in a plugins function. You can extend that plugin by just maybe hooking into it and then adding just prepending or appending strings to it, like this. So there. So the general rule is when you pass a when you hook and you pass a value here, it expects the filter expects something to be returned. Otherwise, it won't do anything. So so yeah, there. So that's the most basic function of the filter tag. You can do more with it. It has additional variables that you can pass to it. So like this, and like add actions or the action hooks in WordPress. If you viewed my video already, you can also set the priority to 10. That's the default priority, and then the next will be the how many parameters you're passing. So this counts as 1, and then 2, and then this one is the third one. So it's you'll add 3. In order for why are we adding 3 there? In order for us to use any values that was passed here to be used here. Let's say var1. Let's say passed var1, and then passed var2. Okay. Now let's say we want to edit this out, or we want to add more strings to this, more text. So let's say var, excuse me. So let's say var, say var is happy world, right? Everyone is happy learning to code. Now, okay, happy world, cool skills. Now that's var2. Now as you can see, we're not doing anything yet. We're just passing it here, but since we were just passing those bars here and here, but we're not doing anything inside in the function body. We're just returning the string and the world. So as you can see here, it's just the same. But now let's try and um, add in the other other variables. So okay, there you go. Happy World Cool Skills. Just like we have we set here. So yeah, so as you can see, that's the most basic function of apply filter and add filter. So that that will be all for now. And if you have questions and suggestions, or you want to learn, I'll try my best to create a video for that, and just add it below. Add your comment, and have a nice day. Bye, guys.